Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best roof cool paint options for this summer in India. With temperatures rising, it's important to choose the right paint to keep your home cool. One of the top brands recommended for roof cool paint is Asian Paints, known for its high quality. Asian Paints offers a range of colors and finishes, while also providing excellent heat-reflective properties. Berger Paints is another popular choice, offering a variety of options to suit different preferences. Berger Paints is known for its durability and ability to reduce indoor temperatures effectively. Nerolac Cool Roof Paint is also a reliable option, specifically designed to reflect sunlight and lower heat absorption. Choosing the right brand of roof cool paint can help reduce your energy bills during the hot summer months. Jodin Roof Guard is another brand worth considering, as it offers long-lasting protection against harsh weather conditions. Each of these brands has its own unique features that make them stand out in the market. It's essential to consider factors like durability, heat-reflective properties, and color options when selecting roof cool paint. Investing in a good quality roof cool paint can provide long-term benefits for your home. Make sure to consult with a professional or follow the manufacturer's guidelines for application. By applying roof cool paint, you can create a more comfortable living environment and save on cooling costs. Don't forget to properly prepare the surface before painting to ensure the best results. Regular maintenance and touch-ups can help prolong the life of your roof cool paint. Consider factors like warranty, weather resistance, and ease of application when choosing a brand. Remember that roof cool paint is an investment in your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Stay tuned for more tips and recommendations on how to keep your home cool this summer with roof cool paint.